Hey lovelies, so I have collaborated with Billion Dollar Beauty to create this smoky eye look and also create your own eyeshadow palette. So here I'm showing you the box, and inside the box there's a magnetic sheet in there, and it comes with a mirror stand. As you can see here, it's very convenient and it's also travel friendly. And here I'm showing you the products in its original packaging, from brows, eyes, lips, and cheeks. I'm showing you here how easy it is to place them in your palette. Lastly, we have the Pro Brush Kit. They are a must-have and they go so well with all of the products. I think that's it. Let's get on into the tutorial. We will be starting off with our transition shade. This is in Caramel. Using our highlighting brush from the Pro Brush Kit, we will be sweeping custard all over our crease and up near the brow bone. You can use any brush you like, but I like to keep it very versatile and convenient for me. And I will show you different ways to use it. Once you're happy with your transition shade, we are now going to wipe off the excess on a paper towel and go in with the second shade, which is an orangey color in Rustic. We are going to do the same method as we did with our transition shade, but a little lower, more towards the crease. Here I'm doing sweeping and small circular motions across the crease. Next, we will be using the shade Hickory. It's a dark brown, and we will be using the eyeshadow brush to apply this all over our lids and blending whatever's left up towards the crease. I'm going to keep on blending the brown shadow up into the crease just so that we won't get a harsh line. And the last shadow we will be using is called Raven. This is a brow powder, and you can definitely use it as an eyeshadow because it's black. For the shade, we will be patting it lightly on our eyelids and up close to the crease, but not too high up. And then going back in with the shade Hickory, the brown color, we will be reapplying this into the crease. This is so that we can create a nice ombre effect to the eyes, and we don't want that harsh line. So going back in with the shade Rustic and just repeating the same steps. And then taking the Pro eyeliner brush and your brow pomade, this is in shade Light Brown, we are going to fill in our eyebrows, and you want to do feather-like strokes. On to the next, we are going to prime our face using the foundation brush. Let me tell you, this brush applies so nice and evenly onto the skin. After priming my face, I've already done my base foundation and concealer and set my under eyes. Then I use the powder brush to sweep off all of the excess powder. Now taking the contour brush, I'm going to somewhat bronze my face, even though it's a contour brush. You can do so many things with them. Then I'm bronzing my cheeks, my forehead, and under my jaw. And going back to the powder brush, we are going to use this to blush our face. This is the blush shade in Amour. And then I'm highlighting my face with the shade Illusion. The highlighting brush, sweep this on the highest point of your cheekbones. I also apply this to my nose and the inner corners of my eyes. Last but not least, we are applying the lip balm in shade Custard all over our lips. And that should be the completed look. Just apply mascara and your favorite lashes, and that's it. Thanks for watching.